Claude Code /commands are more than typing shortcuts. A prompt describes the work you want done, while a command changes how the session is organized, inspected, or verified. The practical skill is choosing commands at deliberate boundaries, before work begins, while context grows, before accepting changes, and when you need a different line of reasoning. At the start of a project, /init creates a claude.md file that captures repository guidance. /memory helps inspect those instructions. Before a risky or multi-file change, /plan enters planning mode so Claude can study the code and propose an approach before editing. This separates understanding from execution instead of mixing them together. During longer work, /context visualizes what is consuming the context window. If the thread is still valuable but too large, /compact summarizes it and can take focus instructions. For a quick side question, /btw returns an answer without adding that exchange to the main conversation. These commands preserve focus without throwing useful state away. Before accepting a result, inspect evidence. /diff shows the file changes produced in the session. /review asks Claude to review current changes, while /security review focuses on vulnerabilities and trust boundaries. Pair these commands with the repository test and build commands. A confident explanation is not proof, a readable diff and passing verification are. When you want to try a different approach, /branch creates a branch of the conversation while preserving the original. /resume lets you return to a saved session, and /rewind moves back to an earlier checkpoint in conversation or code state. These are better than manually rebuilding context because the lineage remains explicit and recoverable. Use /clear only when continuity no longer helps, because it starts a new conversation with empty context. The final command ladder is simple: initialize and plan, inspect and compact, verify with diff and review, branch when exploring, resume when continuing, and clear when resetting. The aha is that commands deliberately manage the life cycle of the coding session.